Actually, I'm good.
3, 2, 1, go! Don't get shot. See the blue card?
Video.
Probably. Yeah. God dang it. What? Switch it to full. I know. God dang it. None of those are hitting the car. What do you mean? Take your mag out and put it back in. Oh, this isn't good. Alex? Alex, give me cover fire. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah.
Jesus!
Alex, don't waste all your ammo. That worked. That plan worked out really good, Alex.
All right, go ahead.
That worked really well, didn't it?
No wonder your gun sucks, dude.
It was like that before I ever did something stupid like that.
Well, in there. You shot me right in the face. That was like.
Wait, I thought it was that one.
Yeah, when it went in there.
Yeah. I saw you go in this one. I was trying to aim for that little hole I saw you shooting through.
So, what do you have to say? That's fine, Devin.
What?
That's fine. All right, you're ready.
2, 1, go!
Yeah.
Just me, dude. Just me. Just me.
Oh my God! No! I gotta change bags. Let's just scare it. Alex, keep him busy. I'm gonna crawl. Ah, hit! Hit!
Nice try, Devin. What? Nice try.
Yeah.
Oh. Did I get you?
I'm gonna need like a pick or something.
What's the matter?
It seems to have wood. There. Pieces of wood have gotten in my mag.
I filled too many BBs in the beer. Now my spring stuck at the bottom.
You're just gonna open it up when you get home.
Well, if I can get something in.
So, Aaron, what do you guys say? Good game, bad game?
Appleby needs to work on his aim and not waste so many BBs.
And
It was cover fire.
not hit me so much.
Were you crawling like a caterpillar?
Yep.
Whatever happened to the plan that you guys had
What was
established?
Devin didn't follow it. I couldn't do anything. He was still, when you were shooting at him, he was still shooting at me.
I know. What was your plan?
You'll find out another day.
And that's it.